There it is. Ooh, that's a fast one. There are people up there.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out the DEERC. This is a brushless high-speed RC boat, so let's go ahead, unbox it, and check it out. So guys, it comes protected in styrofoam from the front and the back. Also, your accessories are underneath the foam, so make sure you get them, and your manual. Alright guys, the remote control takes 3 AA batteries. So this is the remote control. Forward, reverse, turn right here. And you got LED lights, speed, demo, steering, and your on and off button. Very nice. So this is to protect the nose of the boat. So you place it on the nose. Battery inside here. So that is a very heavy duty battery, 2000 mAh, 11.1 volts. They definitely upped their game, so I'm very excited to test this out. So this is the boat itself. Very nice size, very aerodynamic. On the back you got your blade, propeller. And for this, you just simply turn, open it up, pop off the top here, and then go ahead and open this up as well by turning these little connectors here. And there you can now access your battery. If you need to access under your battery, so if you need to access any components, you then take this off, but you shouldn't have to do that. So your battery compartment is right in here. Let's test it out.
We're watching.
And that thing flies.